أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear brothers and sisters, today I want to say about the dispute and conflict between husband and wife over raising the children. If the husband and wife does not aware about the criteria and principles of raising the children in their life, conflict is likely to arise between them. Therefore, knowing the rules of raising children is one of the most important issues for families, especially for couples. My dear friends, the result of not being aware of the principles of educating children is that the father educates the child according to his own wishes and the mother according to her own wishes. Therefore, there is a conflict and it is the children who suffer the most. My friends, in the next step, I want to say that in Islam there are many principles for mothers and fathers regarding raising the children, but unfortunately they ignore these principles and do not pay attention to them. In the first step, the parents should find related books about on parenting, read them and even discuss them with each other. After studying and knowing, they decide to implement it and cooperate with each other on this in this regard. Hopefully by watching this video our problems will be lessened. If you have any question, especially the couples have any questions, please ask me without any hesitation. Inshallah, I will upload more videos about this in future. And in the last, I want to say kindly subscribe my channel and forward the videos for your friends for their information. And in Islam it is a sadaqah jariyah. Thanks and goodbye.